How are you?
Good. I love hearts and butts and farts and hearts. And I love you too. And everything else. And some burps, some bats, and some lambs.
Where do you think you're going to be for Halloween, Max?
Mario.
Okay. Who's Mario?
Luigi's brother.
Okay. Who's Luigi?
Mario's brother.
Alrighty then. So here's our little fish, Max. He's not even 4 yet and he can swim.
Stefan, I saw pink one first.
No, Stefan, come before me in my little noodle den. No, you come in my little noodle den.
Show me how you can swim to the side.
That's a great noodle god.
Oh, I like burps too.
Yeah, you've told me that on every single video I have of you.
Just say it.
Let's see you swim.
Just say.
Get lovely.
First noodle. Get me my first noodle. There you go.
Alright, Stephanie, out the way. Guys, out the way. We're going to take a video, Maxie.
Hey, seriously?
Alright. Okay, we're going to swim to the 4. You see the 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, stand my hand. Other one. Let me know when you're ready. Ready? Set, go.
Woo! Go Max! Go
Keep
Max!
going to the 4. Keep going.
Let's go up the
Don't look at Zoe, you're being silly now.
Let's go, Maxie. Let's go. Let's go, Maxie.
This
Let's
way.
go.
swim!
Now you're being silly. Come on. Come to the side.
Let's go! Go, baby! Go.
Alright.
Max, you have to swim flat. It's harder than when you swim
What's
up.
this?
He has to swim this
No,
way.
here was this.
Do that again, Max.
We're under the water. But
And
when the person
And
says freeze,
to
you have to freeze in the exact position that you're in.
I know.
Under the water, the
Yeah,
only movement
Mom.
that's allowed is floating to the
They're
surface.
good.
Well, we gotta jump back in then.
If you're like
And
this,
I have to look in
then
and
you can allow yourself to
What?
roll over
And
in that same position.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You want to play? You want me to be the freezer first?
what if you're underwater and you get some?
Then you come up and you're like this. You can use little flicks of your feet and hands to get yourself to the surface if you need to breathe. Okay? You want to play? You want to start shallow so you can float.